Did you know Google has two AI tools that generate stunning presentations instantly, and they're 100% free? If you've ever spent hours designing slides, this video is about to change everything. I'm going to show you exactly how to use both tools step by step, plus an editing trick that makes your presentations look professionally designed. Thirdly, we will show how you can combine these tools to generate PowerPoint presentations. Make sure to watch until the end because the combination of these tools is a real game changer. Let's dive in. This is Parvez Durrani and you are watching gurrutechsolutions. The first tool on our list is Google Gemini 3. Yes, you heard that right. Gemini 3 can create stunning PowerPoint presentations directly within its interface. This is a game changer for anyone looking to save time while producing professional quality slides. Let me walk you through the main interface of this powerful AI tool. Creating a PowerPoint presentation is straightforward. You simply need to provide a well-crafted prompt with clear instructions. In my case, I asked Gemini 3 to create a professional PowerPoint presentation on AI's impact on humanity. I specifically requested 12 slides to ensure comprehensive coverage of the topic. Now, let me explain how I structured my prompt to get the best results. For the slide structure, I specified that the first slide should serve as the title slide, containing the presentation title, a compelling subtitle, and presenter information. The subsequent content slides should systematically cover various aspects of AI's impact on human life, society, and the future. I also clearly specified the key topics and areas I wanted the presentation to address, which helps Gemini 3 understand exactly what information to include in each slide. Additionally, I requested a professional, informative, and balanced tone throughout the presentation to ensure the final output is suitable for business, academic, or formal settings. Now here's the most critical step that many people miss. Click on Tools in the interface and select Canvas. This step is absolutely essential for generating PowerPoint presentations in Gemini 3. Without selecting Canvas, you won't be able to create visual presentations. Once you've done this, watch the magic happen. Within just a few seconds, your stunning PowerPoint presentation is ready to view. You can easily navigate between slides using the interface and review all the content that Gemini 3 has generated for you. I was genuinely impressed by the results. The presentation is quite comprehensive and contains all the essential information around our area of interest. The slides are well organized, visually appealing, and packed with relevant content. At this point in time, Google Gemini 3 does not allow you to directly edit your PowerPoint presentation within the Canvas interface. This might seem like a significant drawback at first glance, but don't worry, we have a simple and effective solution for this. Simply click the option to open your presentation in Google Slides. Once the process completes, your entire presentation will open in Google Slides, where you have full editing capabilities. Now you can make changes to any slide as per your specific needs, modify text, images, layouts, and formatting, add or remove slides as required, and customize colors, fonts, and design elements to match your preferences. Once you've made all the necessary changes, you can download your presentation in various formats. Simply click on File, then select Download, and choose your preferred format, whether that's PowerPoint, PDF, or any other available option. Here's the final version of our presentation. This is what we created using Google Gemini 3, and the best thing is that by using this simple trick of opening it in Google Slides, we can fully edit and customize our PowerPoint presentation to make it even more stunning. At this stage, you have complete creative control to refine and perfect your presentation according to your exact requirements. So, that was the first AI tool using which we successfully created a professional PowerPoint presentation. Coming up next is our second tool, Google NotebookLM. NotebookLM allows you to upload various resources, including PDFs, text files, Markdown documents, and audio files. You can also connect your Google Drive to import documents directly, or even add YouTube links and website URLs for the AI to analyze and interact with. This multi-source capability is what sets NotebookLM apart from traditional presentation tools. By synthesizing information from multiple documents, it creates more comprehensive and well-rounded presentations. For this demonstration, I'm using 3 academic papers focused on artificial intelligence in mathematics education. The first paper is titled Role and Research Trends of Artificial Intelligence in Mathematics Education, which is a systematic literature review that's quite lengthy in nature. The second paper is also titled Artificial Intelligence in Mathematics Education, another systematic literature review examining the field comprehensively. The third paper is by the good, the bad, and the ugly, providing additional perspectives on the same topic. These 3 resources will serve as the foundation for our PowerPoint presentation. Let's upload all 3 documents to NotebookLM. The upload process takes just a few seconds, so you'll need to wait until it completes. Once finished, NotebookLM generates a summary of all 3 academic papers. Notice the heading AI in Math Education: Promises, Pitfalls, and Pedagogy. This is quite a comprehensive summary that addresses both the benefits and risks of AI in mathematics education. The AI's ability to synthesize 3 separate papers into a cohesive summary demonstrates its understanding of thematic connections across documents. At this point, you can interact with your uploaded materials by asking custom questions or using NotebookLM's predefined questions to gain deeper insights. However, our focus today is converting these academic papers into a presentation. On the right side of the interface, you'll notice that Google NotebookLM has recently launched a feature called Slide Deck, which converts your resources into stunning PowerPoint presentations. Let's click on this option and wait for the process to complete. You can see it's now creating a PowerPoint presentation based on our 3 sources. The speed of generation is impressive. What would typically take hours of manual work is accomplished in under a minute. And here it is. At this point, you can share your presentation or play it directly within NotebookLM. Let's preview it. As you can see, this is a comprehensive PowerPoint presentation created entirely from our uploaded academic papers. Each slide features well-structured content, relevant images and infographics, data visualizations, and professional formatting. You can navigate between slides to review each one. The presentation has been created meticulously, with every important detail from the academic papers included beautifully. Notice how the AI has selected appropriate visual elements to complement the text. This contextual awareness significantly elevates the final product. The best part? It's completely free and remarkably easy to create. Once you've reviewed your presentation, you can download it by clicking the Download button. The process begins immediately, and you'll have a fully functional PowerPoint file based on your source materials. But that's not all. NotebookLM also allows you to conduct research on any topic directly within the platform. To do this, click on Discover Sources and enter your query. For example, I'm interested in exploring how AI is impacting human life. You'll see 2 options: Fast Search, which is ideal for quick results, and Deep Research, which is for more thorough investigation. Let's select Fast Search and press Enter. The web search begins, and within moments it completes the process, finding 10 different sources relevant to our query. Let's import these sources. Once imported, you'll see a comprehensive summary of your area of interest, synthesized from all 10 sources. You can interact with this information to expand your knowledge further. Now, let's convert these newly discovered resources into another stunning PowerPoint presentation. Click on Slide Deck and wait for the process to complete. It took approximately 1 minute and incorporated all 10 sources. Let's open the presentation. The slides are comprehensive and visually stunning. Navigate through them to see how every aspect of our prompt has been covered in detail. This is the final version of a PowerPoint presentation created entirely using NotebookLM. And that's how you can create stunning PowerPoint presentations completely free using Google NotebookLM. And finally, we'll explore the powerful combination of Gemini 3 and NotebookLM, working together to create even more impressive and comprehensive PowerPoint presentations. First, open NotebookLM by Google. This platform is designed to help you gather, organize, and synthesize content from a variety of sources. Start by creating a new notebook. From here, you have several options for importing material. You can upload existing files, import documents directly from Google Drive, add links from YouTube or other websites, or simply copy and paste text from any source. For our PowerPoint project, we'll use the Discover Sources feature. This tool allows you to search and aggregate information from across the web, including research papers, expert opinions, and reputable articles. In the prompt bar, enter your topic. For example, let's explore the impact of AI on human lives. To ensure credibility, specify that you want sources from research papers and expert commentary. NotebookLM will then extract relevant information from a wide range of web sources, focusing on your criteria. Once you submit your prompt, NotebookLM will begin gathering sources. You'll see a list of extracted materials. These might include academic papers, authoritative websites, and even YouTube videos. You can review, select, or deselect any sources as needed. For this demonstration, let's include all 10 suggested sources and proceed by clicking Import. NotebookLM will now import the content, and you'll see the sources listed on the left. In the center, you'll find an AI-generated summary synthesizing the key points from all selected materials. This summary provides a comprehensive overview of your topic, grounded in credible research. If you wish, you can add more sources at this stage to further enrich your content. Now, let's convert this research into a PowerPoint outline. While NotebookLM doesn't directly export to PowerPoint, it can help you structure your presentation. Ask NotebookLM to create a 12-slide outline titled "The Impact of AI on Human Life." Specify that each slide should include a clear title, 3 to 4 key points, and brief source notes for credibility. After submitting your prompt, NotebookLM will generate a detailed outline for your presentation. You can review each slide's content and trace the information back to its original source, ensuring accuracy and depth. To transform this outline into a visually engaging PowerPoint, we'll use Google Gemini. Visit the official Google Gemini site. The first step is to select the Canvas feature, which is designed for creating presentations. In the prompt area, instruct Gemini to convert your outline into a 12-slide presentation. For best results, ask Gemini to include concise slide headlines, smooth transitions, and suggest relevant visuals such as timelines, charts, and key quotes. Next, copy the entire outline generated by NotebookLM and paste it below your prompt in Gemini. Double-check your input to ensure everything is correct and make sure the Canvas feature is selected. Once you're ready, hit Enter. Gemini will process your request, integrating your outline with AI-powered design elements. In just a few moments, you'll have a polished, visually stunning PowerPoint presentation. Review the generated slides. You'll notice that the presentation covers a range of topics, such as the AI revolution, labor market shifts, economic opportunities, and more. Each slide features impactful visuals and well-organized information, making your message both compelling and easy to follow. If you're satisfied with the result, you can download the PowerPoint file or share the Canvas with colleagues for collaboration. This method combines the research capabilities of NotebookLM with the design power of Gemini, enabling you to create comprehensive, beautiful presentations with minimal effort. The final product is not only information-rich, but also visually engaging, featuring icons, graphics, and clear structure. In this way, you can create stunning PowerPoint presentations using Google's AI. Try any of the discussed method and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Besides, subscribe our channel for more AI-related content.